Yeah, the wind, that's going to be a big story out there for today. Those winds out of the north and northwest, 15 miles per hour right now, taking you out to DFW Airport, but they're going to get a little bit gusty here as we go through the morning. So just be prepared for that heading on out the doors. We've seen that front working its way through North Texas. 50 degrees, though, out at DFW. So temperature-wise, we're not looking too bad right now. 46 as we head out to Mesquite, 45 in Terrell right now, 50 in Arlington, and we even have some low 50s a little farther north heading out to Sanger and Denton in the low 50s there this morning, too. Now, as we go through the day, there's that front pushing through the area. The winds really start to pick up here a little bit later this morning. They will be gusting throughout the afternoon, coming home later today. This is around 7 p.m. We'll still have those strong north winds. Temperatures will be up around 60 degrees, maybe the upper 50s along the Red River. So not as big a warm up as what we saw yesterday as we got into the upper 60s area wide. So we may not get out of the 50s in some locations here for today. So back close to the seasonal averages here with those temperatures for today. We'll have plenty of sunny skies as well. But let's look at those winds. They will be gusting up around 35, maybe 36 miles per hour by the afternoon. And again, they will be out of the north and northwest, easing up some late today as we head into this evening, but still around 5 p.m. for the afternoon rush. We'll have those winds still gusting up over 30 miles per hour. So just keep that in mind if you're out driving, especially on those bridges and overpasses with the high profile vehicles going through the day today. Fire danger, another concern for today with those gusty winds, that low humidity along and west of I-35 for today. So keep that in mind. I think that will be the case again on Friday as well. Overnight lows tonight, it does get cold once again as we'll dip down into the low 30s for tomorrow morning. At least the winds will be light heading on out the door, but yes, it will be a chilly start to your morning on tomorrow. And then those temperatures over the next 5 days takes us through the weekend. We'll get another push of some colder air moving in for the weekend. So that's going to keep those temperatures right around, maybe even slightly below normal for a change as we head into the weekend on Saturday and Sunday with those highs in the mid 50s. And those overnight lows are going to be chilly as well. And you see that with that 14-day forecast over the weekend. We'll be down into the low mid 30s on Saturday and Sunday mornings heading toward MLK Day. Not a bad looking day at all. We'll have temperatures in the mid 30s, I think, on Monday morning, those highs in the upper 50s. And then as we go through most of next week, we'll start to see those temperatures nudging back up a little bit, getting into the upper 60s through the end of next week.